Hello guys, good afternoon. So ngayon dumating ng ating in order sa sariling mismong may own mismong account ko. Ito na yun, nag-deliver na. This one. Now let's unbox kung ano bang nasa loob. Let's unbox. Again, this is method. This one guys. So, okay, unbox natin kung ano ba ito. Kung ito ba ito na company. Kung gusto nyo purchase ito guys, click nyo na lang sa yellow basket na doon lang po. Charan! 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 Buy one take one ito guys. Good for brain daw ito. Ito yung food ng pang brain. Yan. Walnuts guys. Yan. Okay. See? 100 grams. Buy one take one. Buy one take one. Check out na sa yellow basket. Bye bye. Bye bye.